కానీ విజువల్ తీస్తున్నాం, ఫోన్ చేస్తాం. విజువల్ తీస్తున్నా, ఫోన్ చేస్తాం. వచ్చారు మీ టీం వచ్చింది.
CPI Maoist guard is surrendering, including the PLGA battalion commander Deva. He surrendered along with 17 of his colleagues, and also brought out so many weapons, 48 to be exact, and they comprise quite high quality weapons, including quite high quality weapons. And along with these 18 people, we have two couple. One is state committee member Raj Reddy alias Venkatesh, Kankanala Raj Reddy alias Venkatesh, also surrendering along with his wife. So the 20 people have surrendered today, and they also, all these 20 people brought out 48 weapons along with them, and including AK-47s, Colt rifle, then LMGs, 2 LMGs, SLRs, INSAS, and also Israeli-made Tavor CQB weapon.
Sir, what is the reason for the surrender before the police?
I think there's a lot of internal strife going on between them, in the party. The leadership has now totally gone now. As there are also the issues about their health. The security forces pressure is so much that they are not able to move from one place to other place. Earlier they used to move very freely from one place to other place, which now has totally come down. The movement has totally curtailed by the existence of security forces and the operations of the security forces. So there's a reason why they have now thought of coming out and surrendering.
Where the weapons are sourced? How they get them?
Huh?
Where the weapons are sourced?
The weapon sources are, they looted the weapons from the police, except one weapon. We have to find out how they got the weapon, that CQB weapon, Israeli made. But other weapons they have totally looted from the police.
जैसे कि मैं सो रहा हूँ तो पिताजी को जगाना है मुझे, तो वो डायरेक्ट उठाने के बजाय, और हिंसा की परंपरा मेरे यहाँ नहीं थी सौभाग्य से, तो वो क्या करते थे कि उस कमरे में आ जाएंगे या बाहर से गुजरेंगे और चौपाई बोलेंगे, प्रात काल उठ गए रघुनाथा, मात पिता गुरु नावई माता। कभी कभी मैं गुस्से में उठ करके, अरे पापा, चरण स्पर्श किया और सो गया, उनका अब मत उठाना।